Are you looking for the top 5 best dining chairs for every home? Before buying dining chairs, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. It's not just about style, it's about comfort and durability too. Let's dive into the top 5 options that might just change the way you think about dining seating. Product number 1, FDW Metal Dining Chairs. First up, we have the FDW Metal Dining Chairs, a set of 4 that really caught my eye with their industrial design and affordability at around $86.61. If you want durable and stackable chairs without breaking a bank, these are worth a serious look. Now, here's why these chairs could be a great fit for you. The durable metal construction means they're lightweight yet sturdy, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Plus, they come with non-slip rubber feet to protect your floors from scratches. Definitely a must if you're worried about damage. With a weight capacity of 330 pounds, they can handle most people comfortably. And let's be real, no assembly is required. You just unbox and start using them. That's a huge time saver. But here's the thing. Some users have pointed out that the backrest can feel a bit stiff. For those who prefer a cushy feel, this might be a deal breaker. However, if you're looking for something practical and easy to maintain, the FDW chairs still hold up well. This is perfect for you if you need versatile seating for your kitchen or dining room without fuss. Skip this one if you're after something plush and soft. For the price, they offer great value for sturdy seating. Now, product number 2, Dumos Kitchen Chairs. Next, let's talk about the Dumos Dining Chairs. This set of 4 is priced at about $158.96 and is designed with a mid-century modern flair that really stands out. If you want comfort and style in one package, this is definitely worth considering. These chairs are engineered with reinforced frames, which means no wobbles and long-lasting reliability. The padded seats and backrests provide enhanced comfort, making them perfect for everything from quick dinners to long family gatherings. Plus, the spill-resistant upholstery is great for families with kids or anyone prone to accidents. It's a breeze to clean, just a quick wipe and you're done. However, some users mentioned that the chairs can feel a bit bulky in smaller spaces. Here's the thing though, if you have a spacious dining area, this shouldn't be an issue at all. The comfort and durability outweigh the size concerns for most. This is perfect for you if you love hosting dinner parties or just want a cozy spot for everyday meals. Skip this one if you have a smaller dining area or prefer a more minimalist aesthetic. For the quality and design, they provide solid value for your money.
Product number 3, Elixis Black Dining Chairs. Up next is the Elixis Dining Chairs, available in a set of 8 for around $179.99. If you're in need of a complete dining solution, this is a great pick to consider. These chairs have a modern design that suits various settings, from kitchens to offices. The thickened high-density sponge cushions are designed for comfort, and the backrest wraps around your back for good support. I've got to say, the ergonomic design genuinely surprised me. It's a game changer for long meals. Plus, they're made from high-quality materials, so they're resistant to wear and tear and easy to clean. Now, some reviewers have voiced concerns about the assembly time, stating it can take longer than expected. Here's the thing though, once you get them put together, they're incredibly sturdy and look fantastic. This is perfect for you if you need a lot of seating without sacrificing style. Skip this one if you're not up for a bit of assembly. For
Product number 4, Elixis White Dining Chairs. Continuing with the Elixis brand, we also have their white dining chairs, also a set of 8, priced at around $179.95. They offer the same great features as the black set, but come in a bright and airy color. If you want something that can really light up your dining space, these are worth checking out. The construction and ergonomic design are identical to the black chairs, providing excellent support and comfort. With a maximum weight capacity of 275 pounds and scratch-resistant materials, they're built to last. Plus, the easy-to-clean surface is a lifesaver, especially in busy households. However, some customers mentioned that the white color might show stains more easily. Here's the thing though,
With proper care, they can still look pristine, and the aesthetic appeal is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you want stylish seating that brightens up your dining area. Skip this if you're worried about maintenance, though a quick wipe can usually do the trick. For the price and quality, they offer great value.
Product number 5, Zest House Rattan Dining Chairs. Finally, let's look at the Zest House Natural Rattan Dining Chairs, a set of 2 priced at about $189.99. These chairs feature a stunning mid-century design that really stands out. If you're looking for something that combines style with comfort, this is definitely one to consider. The rattan backrest is both breathable and stylish, while the faux leather seat is filled with high-density sponge for excellent comfort. I was genuinely surprised by how well these chairs balance aesthetics and function. The design also allows them to be stocked, which is great for storage. However, some users found them a bit lower than typical dining chairs, which could be uncomfortable for taller individuals. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for chairs that prioritize style over height, these are perfect for a more relaxed dining experience. This is perfect for you if you want to add a touch of elegance to your dining room without sacrificing comfort. Skip this if you need a more traditional height for dining. For the unique design, they offer a great value that can enhance any.
So, to wrap it up, we've covered a range of dining chairs to suit different needs and styles. From the budget-friendly FDW metal chairs to the stunning Zest House rattan chairs, there's something for everyone. Think about your space and what you need most: comfort, style, or easy maintenance. Happy chair hunting!